Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I would like to show you how to wind a bobbin on one of these vintage machines. I've been asked several times to do it, and while I had this one out I thought I'd show you. Okay, as I've mentioned before, you do have to have the right size bobbin to use these, to wind on the built-in bobbins on these machines. Some of them have a wider bobbin, and this one just so happens to have the very narrow bottom, narrow width, or rather. So that's what size goes in this machine. So I will show you how to wind it. Okay. I wanted to just let you see this right here. I hope that's showing up in the camera good, because I thought I might would zoom in a little bit. But I wanted to be sure that you could see this. I might just go ahead this way. So what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hook your thread right up through here. I guess I could have done this ahead of time, but I didn't. Okay, now what we're going to do is try to get the thread to go through that little eye. Get it started a little bit. We're going to put it on the bobbin winder. And this is what I wanted you to be able to see. Down here, how we hook the thread on that. Okay, then let the bobbin go. Oops, I think I did it backwards. Oh well, I'm just going to put it up here. This way. But I know what I did wrong. I forgot to loosen my wheel. Yeah, you're supposed to loosen the wheel. And that one's pretty tight. Right over there, that wheel there, loosen it. Okay. Then we go ahead and wind, and see, if that's up under there, you don't have to worry about holding on to it or anything. Hopefully you see that. Hopefully that thread's showing up. And then you can go any speed you want, and then once it's full, it's going to go ahead and stop. Sorry for the bumps. And that's how you do it. And then you can just put this back in the stored position, and be sure to tighten back your wheel over here so you can get to sewing. And that's how you wind a bobbin in a vintage sewing machine. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope that this video helped you. And please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that if you would. Bye for now. Happy sewing.